Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best drones for night photography, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S is a cutting-edge drone designed for aerial photography and videography enthusiasts. Featuring a 1-inch image sensor with 2.4 micrometers pixels, it captures stunning 5.4K per 30 frames per second and 4K per 60 frames per second video, ensuring breathtaking detail and clarity. With Master Shots, the next evolution of quick shots, users can achieve professional-grade footage effortlessly. Focus Track includes Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 4.0, and Point of Interest 3.0, allowing the drone to smoothly follow or orbit subjects. Experience 1 billion colors with the 10-bit Log-M color profile, preserving rich details for immersive visuals. The O3 OcuSync 3.0 transmission provides a 7.5-mile max video range for uninterrupted live feeds. Equipped with environment sensing in 4 directions, the Air 2S offers intelligent obstacle avoidance, ensuring safe and seamless flights in complex scenarios. Whether you're a content creator or an adventure seeker, the DJI Air 2S delivers unparalleled aerial performance. Number 2. AutoEVO Lite Plus. The AutoEVO is a high-performance foldable drone designed for intermediate pilots who demand professional-grade aerial photography and videography. Featuring a 4-axis gimbal, it ensures stable and ultra-smooth footage, capturing stunning 4K video at 2160p resolution. The high-resolution photo and video transmission system delivers crystal-clear imagery, making it an excellent choice for content creators and aerial enthusiasts. With a bold orange color, the EVO stands out for both visibility and style. The package includes a remote control, battery, propellers, and a user manual, ensuring a seamless flying experience. Its 3,000 mAh battery provides extended flight time, while intelligent flight controls enhance safety and precision. Whether exploring landscapes, capturing cinematic footage, or simply enjoying the thrill of flying, the AutoEVO is built for exceptional aerial adventures with stunning visual performance. Number 3. Ruco F11 GIM2. The Ruco F11 GIM2 is an advanced 4K UHD camera drone built for aerial photography enthusiasts and adventurers. Fully FAA compliant, with a built-in remote ID module, this drone ensures safe and worry-free flights. With an impressive 96-minute flight time, 32 minutes per battery, with 3 included, you can enjoy extended sessions without frequent recharging. The 2-axis gimbal with EIS, electronic image stabilization, triple anti-shake technology delivers crystal-clear 4K videos at 30 frames per second in high-resolution photos, with 5x zoom and a 100 degrees field of view for immersive shots. Designed for stability in challenging conditions, the Level 6 wind resistance and brushless motors keep the drone steady even at altitudes up to 6,562 feet. Real-time video transmission up to 9,800 feet ensures a lag-free aerial view. Perfect for both beginners and experts, GPS-assisted smart return ensures the drone automatically returns when battery power is low or signal is lost. With an exquisite, portable carrying case, the Ruco F11 GIM2 is the perfect travel companion for stunning aerial adventures. Number 4. Parrot Anify. The Anify Parrot drone is a lightweight, ultra-compact quadcopter designed for aerial photography and videography enthusiasts. With a 4K HDR camera featuring an f/2.4 wide-angle ASPH lens and up to 2.8x digital zoom, it captures breathtaking 21MP photos and high-resolution videos in 4K, 2.7K, or Full HD without quality loss. Advanced photography tools like burst mode, 10 photos per second, and a timer allow for professional-grade shots with ease. This drone boasts up to 25 minutes of flight time. Number 5. Boeing F7GB2. Take your aerial photography to the next level with the Boeing F7 4K drone, fully FAA certified for unrestricted flying. Equipped with a one-click detachable 4K camera, a 120 degrees FOV lens, and a 3-axis gimbal with 5x zoom, it delivers ultra-clear, stable footage, even in low-light conditions. Enjoy up to 75 minutes of flight time with 3 intelligent 2,600 mAh batteries, perfect for extended adventures. Soar up to 2,000 meters in altitude with L6 level wind resistance, ensuring smooth operation in challenging conditions. With GPS-assisted smart flight, the drone automatically returns when the battery is low or signal is lost. Advanced app controls let you live stream, edit, and share videos instantly on social media. Packed with accessories and backed by a 2-year warranty, the Boeing F7 is your ultimate high-performance aerial companion. Fly freely, shoot brilliantly, and explore without limits. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.